Hello guys, my name is Anna and I am a doll. I live in a doll house, a very beautiful Barbie dream doll house. Hope guys you will learn a lot today with me. Let's come and let's watch my house from inside. First of all, there is a big almari with the name of Barbie. In this almari, I have too many mini things, and at the upper of the almari, there's a mini rooms. There is a little washing machine to wash my clothes. As you guys look outside of my house, it is neat and tidy. So, dear kids, please clean your house and help your mothers. There is a drawing room for the guest. There's two bed and one mirror. On the upper room is my little doll's pinky room. As you see, there is a cupcake on the table. Hi Mila, how are you? Mommy, I'm fine. Come here, mom. Okay, dear daughter. There is some furniture in my daughter's room, and these are the outside of my house. I have a cow. Pet animals have are very beautiful animals, and there is a swing in my house where my kids play a lot, and they run through the house from one room to another room and to another room. But my kids follow a good routine, eat healthy, play all the day, and they don't create fuss. Hope you guys like my house. If you guys like my home, like, subscribe, and share my channel. And don't disobey your parents. Always love your parents. Okay? Okay, Boto? Boto, speak. Say yes.
Yes.
Okay. Hello, guys. Bye bye.